we're gonna prep some chicken breast for the week. So on my 90-day shred, I've been having to eat a lot of chicken breast, and I kind of came up with this really great seasoning that's great for every day and goes with just about any side. So what I do is on Sundays, I'll prep the whole chicken and then I will eat it throughout the week, so I don't have to worry about it. So it is about 2.5 pounds of chicken breast, boneless and skinless, because bones and skin have fat. So if you could just get the fillets, it's really nice. And if you have it frozen, then you want it to be thawed. By the time you do this part, this is seasoning it. This is my seasoning. It is sea salt, garlic, turmeric, thyme, parsley, oregano, and black pepper. And the secret ingredient, lemon. A really big lemon. The bigger ones are sweeter, and it really takes out that weird chicken taste. So let's make some gains for the week. Whole week. As you can see, I'll eat about 2 of these per day. I'm gonna put these into the container, and then I like to make my rice fresh, or potatoes or cauliflower or carrot noodles, whatever. I like to make that fresh. But the chicken, it's really good with this turmeric. I like to use the aluminum foil because turmeric stains really bad. And I feel like it comes out a little bit, it's cleaner, you know, it's easier to clean up. And when it's easier, we're gonna do it a lot more. So I really hope that you like this. If you make your chicken, upload it to Instagram and tag me at SamanthaIsabelFit. And if you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more fitness recipes, workouts, lifestyle. And I'll catch you next time.